Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the percentage charge arriving at charge shop function at the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create a route plan button. So first you have to set a starting and a destination location, and then click on the next step to confirm this route. And within this section, click on the More Options button and look for the percentage charge arriving at charge shop. And as you can see, you can drag this little orange circle from 5% up to 75%. So just set to the percentage that you want to use, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.